In the Tools section, admin can monitor all of these four labels. The first is the module settings, and the module settings, they can configure what are the scheduled time, what should be the scheduled booking time. Like, if in case the user wants to schedule a booking, what should be the minimum time period? For instance, right now it's 2 p.m. and the scheduled time, I want that. Schedule order will only be accepted in 20 minutes. That simply means I can book for 2, I can book a scheduled booking after 2:20. I cannot book any scheduled booking. The user will not be able to book any scheduled booking for, let's say, 2:10 or 25. Only scheduled bookings can be done for further 20 minutes, or whichever minutes that will be defined from the admitted. Then what is the maximum schedule period? In days, like the scheduled booking schedule period can be done for how many days and how should that be configured? And then the notification in case of scheduled booking, the notification will be further sent to the user, like 15 minutes before the order, and then there is minimum card amount for wallet. Here, whatever the value should be provided by the admin, that will be the minimum card amount for the wallet in case of user, and then the cancellation reasons there. Here the admin can provide predefined cancellation reasons. For instance, when you're not updated, that's the cancellation reason. Add a new cancellation reason, delete any cancellation reason. From here, the admin can define the predefined cancellation reason, which will be useful for the user end. And then the toggle buttons for providing a few of these elements, like you want dine-in to be available for the food module, table booking takeaway that is already enabled, and then the catering left, item quantity cancel after accept location cart reminder. So toggle button will be done, then the functionality will start. So these are properly dynamic and acceptable from the user end, from the admin panel. And then the home layout, or whichever that layout for currently, there's just one layout. It's only one. Otherwise, if the second layout will be ready, then the second layout can also be updated. So just from one click of the admin. And then the application banner image, this can be updated, this can be changed, this can be deleted. And then the website banner image, banner 1, banner 2, all of these images can be updated, added, and deleted from the admin. And then the settings policy. This is for the module data and the settings related to that particular data. Very first in the settings, if they want to import module, just select the import module and then select the Excel sheet import, and then update will be done. And then 4, in case to download the sample sheet, just click on download and you'll be redirected, and that will be, you'll provide an option to download that can. So it will be redirected and then in, and then from here, it was import module to select cancel, and then the partial order, you want partial order to be there, or only full order details will be there. Anything selected, an app review link, what should be the review link? And then the recurring type, you want that for alternative or everyday recurring should be there. Everything can be selected from the checkboxes, and then the takeaway. What should be the dynamic label for the takeaway name, and the service tax that will be provided from the admin. And then the card reminder configuration, after how many days in case, if any user left a few selected items into the cart. What should be the selected days after which they should receive a notification, and what should be that notification title, and what should be the message. That's input in case if the admin wants to add more details, just click on that and the details will be done. And if any changes provided and done here, click on the update button and the following updates will be done. And then next we have refer and on. So basically these are the features. From here, the features will be provided from the user where they can refer and on a watch. And the why, what should be the referral title, what should be the title of that particular, and what should be the referral code length, and then the earning system, what should be the reward for the recipient. Every of these details will be provided. He submit, and all of those will be done. And then there's this transaction history from your admin and all of the transaction history of the users who have referred to their friends and other recipients. What are the awards and amount received by them? And every detail will be reflected here. And then there's this bulk upload images. So basically, in case of bulk upload, when any particular merchant or admin wants to bulk upload any of the booking, then they need to provide an CSV file. So in the CSV file, they can also upload images in case of that image. They just need to create an URL, and that URL will be created here. So they just need to provide that URL into that sheet. So suppose if this upload file, I'll just show you one demo. Okay, so now this URL is done. Just copy that particular URL and then just paste that URL into the CSV file or Excel sheet where the bulk booking details are provided. And then similarly, images will also be uploaded. And then next we have the dynamic labels. So basically, these are dynamic labels currently. There are no otherwise. You can add a new dynamic label and just enter that particular name. Enter the URL. That should be for view only for. That should be for application website or merchant, one that label to be visual, aware, and safe. And similarly, all those dynamic labels will be configured from the admin end. This was all about the 2 section of the admin where they are able to monitor a few of the settings, and now